Hi guys, here I'm speaking from the House of Consciousness, and again we will talk about education, civilization, and values. So we will notice it that we will talk about values at the first, and then civilization and education. Okay, as I said before that we will start with numeric triptych of numeric by Tesla. The first is I repeated the education from Albert Einstein. He said that education is not collecting the fact, but to construct the mind to think. So we already understand that the education actually is not only for repeating the fact, collecting the fact. It's not our task, our job. It's really to construct the mind to think. So the human being must be using the brain to construct the mind, not only repeating the facts. The second is talking about values. We already know that the premises of education is creating values. In the terms of terminologies of management, there is a strong correlation between three variables, between values, habit, and performance. So I repeated: values, habit, and performance. Values will influence habits, and then habits will influence performance. So no more performance without or unless we have a strong habit, and strong habit unless values is nothing. So values is a cause factor, and the habit is the effect factors, and the other things, the result is performance is the good result of the habits and the values. This is the second thing about the values. The third is about we already talked about three variable, right? Education, civilization, and values. At least we already know that by creating the values, we already create the civilization, the ethics, because as far we know that values create norms, norms create morality, and morality will create civilization. So there are strong correlation between, again, values as a base character, and then values create the norms, norms create the morality, and morality will create the character as a base of civilization. The fourth that I would like to say in this case is, how can we see the education process right now here in Indonesia? Um, I don't want to talk about it at all actually, but we realize that the result is the civilization can mention by the values that already put by the institution, by government, and by student. So in the correlation of cause and effect, there is a strong correlation. If values is good or strong, it will influence a civilization, and civilization creating by education. Education is a base, and then create a values. So the main task of education is creating the values, and values will create civilization. The fifth things that I would like to say is, we should reflect the condition or situation in the current moment, even in the many countries. that civilization is already not put it as a priority. So we should go back to the highest purpose of education. Education is an instrument on my mind, and then after we have education, we should have values. Values is a purpose, and the last purpose is how to get a high civilization to live together in the planet of Earth. And the last, the sixth point, the number six of my opinion is how we can relate it between three variables is um, to having a strong reminding for all of us as a teacher, as a leader, as a manager, that we always have learning in this planet. Learning is a process, not only a result. So we should keep in mind that there are strong correlation between education, values, and civilization. Good luck and have a nice day.